Today, our home baker will be making crepe cake. There will not be a recipe. Okay, fine. Maybe at the end. This recipe is inspired by Liebling Desserts. Go stalk her channel. Turn on captions if you don't speak German. If you do, mein Hund ist depressiv. That's it. That's the full extent of my German education. The home baker messed up these crepes, so you didn't have to. You're welcome. Now he will demonstrate how not to mess up crepes. The home baker will fold the crepes like it's laundry day. Except this time, he won't leave them in a pile till tomorrow. He will now paint the crepes with melted chocolate. Once the chocolate hardens, it will have a satisfying crunch. Next time, just buy the acetate, so you won't have to mummify your cake. It's the next day. The forecast is snowy with a chance of chocolate crunch. I've just been informed that the crepes absorbed all the chocolate. So if you stayed for the chocolate crunch ASMR, hate to break it to you, it's not happening. Instead, the home baker will now simulate that sound by eating kettle chips off camera. Those may look like lines, but it's actually Sanskrit for eats me.